Okay students, now let's start the new topic, that is profit and loss. So how to calculate profit and loss? Now first of all, profit and loss you have studied in class 5. So let's quickly revise what you have studied from there. So first of all, when we purchase something, the price at which we purchase something is called the cost price, and the price at which we sell out something is called the selling price. Yes, for example, I purchased a refrigerator and after some time I sold it out. I have seen that there are very different features in other refrigerator. So I am trying now. What I will do, I will sell out my old refrigerator and purchase a new one. So the price at which we purchase the something is called the cost price. For example, if I purchase refrigerator for 10,000, so 10,000 will be the cost price. Similarly, when we sold out something, the price. Now, so for after some time, after using it, if I am selling out my refrigerator, so the price will be called as selling price. So I purchased it at 10,000, so CP will be 10,000, short form of cost price. And if I sold it at 8,000, so selling price, that is SP, equal to 8,000. So profit, how to calculate profit? SP minus CP. When your selling price is greater than the cost price, so it is profit. Loss, when CP is greater than the selling price. So I purchased it at 10,000, sold it at 8,000, so loss is of 2,000. Clear about this? Now profit and loss we will calculate it in percentage also. So profit percent and loss percent. Yes. Now profit percent and loss percent, as I told you, in increase and decrease percentage, difference, these are what? Difference and difference upon original value. Now what will be the original value in this case? Original value means the price at which we purchased earlier, or when which we spent earlier. So earlier price is called the cost price. So formula will be profit upon CP into 100. Profit or loss always calculated on cost price, because that will be the original price. Yes. So these two formulae which you have already, these first two formulae you have already learned in class 5. Now this percentage you will study it here. Now what will happen if profit and profit percent and cost price is given? Now this formula is applicable only one case, when profit percent and cost price is given. So when profit percent and cost price is given, apply this formula for direct calculating selling price. Yes. Now one more formula, if instead of profit percent loss is given, so loss is always subtracting, rest formula will be same. 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. Now the same formula we will apply to calculate cost price. So cost price equal to this 100 will be going that side and it will be multiplied. So selling price into 100 upon, and this bracket will be going multiplied. So when we send it to this side, it will be divided like this. Yes. Now similarly, if we have to calculate for loss, selling price into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent from this. Clear? So these are the formulae which you will remember. If you remember this one, you can remember these 2, 3 also. Because always remember, profit will be added, profit percent will be added, loss percent will be subtracted, and then you will generate the formula from these questions. Clear? Now let's do the exercise based on these questions. So first of all, we will start exercise 9C. Cut the first question because it is related to estimation and which is not to be done in the okay. Now let's do it. Question number 2. Now question number 2 says, just hold on. Yes, students, we will do only two parts of these questions. Rest you do by yourself. Now question 2 says that find the profit in profit percent. Now cost price and selling price are given. You have to find out the cost price of a book is rupees 200. Selling price equal to rupees 230. Now you can see that the selling price is greater, so it will be of profit. So profit of SP minus CP. Profit is of difference between cost price and selling price. Subtract rupees 30. Now you have to find out profit percent, which is formula says profit upon CP into 100%. So profit is 30, cost price is 200 sorry, into 100. So 15% is the answer. This is A part. Now I will do D part. Cost price of a house which is given as 25 lakh. Now selling price rupees 27 lakh. So profit SP minus CP 27 lakh minus 25 lakh. So it will be 2 lakh. Now 2 lakh is the profit. So profit percent 2 lakh upon CP 25 lakh into 100%. Now cut the zeros. 25 4 8s are 200. So 8% is the profit percent. Clear? Thank you.